Are you having trouble sleeping? Have joint discomfort that won't go away? Or are you forgetting things? Do you feel like you're running out of energy halfway through the day? Or does it seem like digestion is tougher than it used to be? You're not the only one. As we become older, our bodies start to show us things we wish we could ignore or remedy right now. But what if I told you that adding something easy to your morning routine could help with more than one problem at the same time? Something that could aid your digestion, reduce joint pain, improve your memory, and even offer you a little more energy. Today, we're going to talk about the surprising benefits of adding a certain powder to your coffee. It's not simply another trendy supplement or wonder ingredient. What we're talking about could impact how you feel every day. You should stay for this. But before we get started, please subscribe if you're new here. This channel is only for older people. Every week, we provide you natural ways to improve your digestion, protect your heart, strengthen your bones, sharpen your mind, and boost your energy. If you subscribe, you'll always get tips that can really help you once you turn 60. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Coffee's strength for older people. We all know and adore coffee, so let's start there. But before you pour your next cup, let me ask you how many of you need that first cup of coffee to get up and start your day. Most seniors definitely depend on that hot cup of coffee to wake them up in the morning. But did you realize that coffee does more than just wake you up? Moderate coffee drinking has been linked to better brain function, a better mood, and a lower risk of various diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that you could make your morning coffee even better without changing how you usually do things? That's right. By adding a special powder to your coffee, you can get a whole new level of health advantages. I bet you're interested now. What is this powder I'm talking about? Stay with me. The following bit might shock you. The collagen powder is the secret ingredient. What is the answer? Powdered collagen. You might have heard about collagen before, but let's make it simple. Collagen is the most common protein in your body, and it is very important for your skin, joints, and bones. As we become older, our bodies naturally make less collagen. This is why we start to notice problems like drooping skin, joint pain, and even bones that are weaker. Collagen is a real building block of our health, and taking a high-quality collagen supplement can help you in real ways. It's as simple as stirring a tablespoon into your coffee. Adding collagen powder to your coffee can help your body make more collagen. This makes your bones stronger, your joints healthier, your skin smoother, and even your hair and nails healthier. Think about how much better you'll feel when your body is getting the support it needs from the inside out. But that's only the start. How collagen helps your joints stay healthy. Do you have trouble with joint pain? It could be your knees, your elbows, or that old back issue that hurts from time to time. We lose collagen in the cartilage of our joints as we become older. This makes our joints stiff, painful, and less able to move. But research has shown that taking collagen helps make joints healthier by making more cartilage, reducing inflammation, and making joints work better overall. Just adding 1 scoop of collagen to your morning coffee will help your body fight the wear and tear that happens naturally as you get older. This simple change could be the secret to feeling better and moving around more easily every day. Would you try putting collagen in your coffee to make your joints healthier? Please tell me in the comments below. Collagen for hair, skin, and nails. But hold on, there's more. Collagen isn't just for your joints. You're not seeing things if your skin is starting to sag or wrinkle more than it used to, or if your hair and nails feel thinner and more brittle. All of these problems are directly caused by the drop in collagen production. Adding collagen to your diet has been proven to make your skin more flexible, smooth out wrinkles, and even make it more moist. After we turn 30,
We lose around 1% of collagen every year. This means that incorporating collagen back into your regimen can help you look younger again. And the best part is, it's quite easy. You're not just helping your joints out. By adding collagen powder to your coffee, you're also giving your skin, hair, and nails the nutrients they need to look and feel their best. Do you want your skin to feel younger and more radiant? Have you ever used collagen on your skin? Please tell me about your experiences in the comments. Collagen for digestive and gut health. Now, let's talk about something that many older people worry about, their digestive system. As we age, our digestive systems may slow down, which can make it harder to absorb nutrients and lead to bloating or pain. Collagen can also help with this. You see, collagen is important for more than just your skin and joints. It also helps keep your digestive system healthy. It helps the gut lining recover, makes it easier for nutrients to be absorbed, and reduces inflammation in the digestive system. Collagen may help calm and support your digestive system if you have problems like acid reflux, constipation, or even bloating after meals. Adding collagen powder to your coffee can help your gut work better, which can lead to fewer digestive problems. Are you trying to deal with intestinal problems? Would you consider adding collagen to your daily routine to help your gut health? Please tell us your thoughts. The energy boost you didn't see coming. We all want that extra energy, especially in the morning. You might be surprised to find that collagen can actually boost your energy. Collagen helps your body absorb nutrients better by making your stomach healthier. This can help you make more energy throughout the day. Collagen has another benefit. It helps keep blood sugar levels stable, which means it can stop those afternoon energy dips that make you feel tired and sluggish. Adding collagen to your daily coffee is an easy way to start your day with more energy that lasts. You can easily and naturally feel more awake and ready to face the day without having to drink extra coffee or eat a sugary snack. So let's go over the main reasons why you should add collagen powder to your coffee. 1. Joint health. Collagen helps your joints stay healthy by reducing discomfort and swelling. 2. Skin, hair, and nails. It makes you look and feel younger by making more collagen in your skin. 3. Digestive and gut health. Collagen restores the lining of the gut and makes it easier for nutrients to be absorbed, which helps with digestive problems. 4. Energy boost. It helps keep blood sugar levels stable and gives you energy throughout the day. And it's so easy to add. If you add a scoop of collagen powder to your daily coffee, you'll start to feel better from the inside out. Please like, share, and subscribe if you thought this video was helpful. If you subscribe, you'll keep getting weekly recommendations developed specifically for seniors that can help you live longer, healthier, and happier after age 60.